You may encounter a wide variety of sustainability reports because there is not yet a specific version that companies must publish. So as long as they are providing the information, stakeholders are happy. The first of its kind is the standalone sustainability reports, and as the name itself indicates, these are independent documents, and some companies may decide they want to publish their sustainability effort in a separate document which is separate from their corporate financial reports. One example is AstraZeneca. You can just go and Google AstraZeneca sustainability reports and you will see that is a separate document in addition to their corporate financial information. And in there, they talk about their overview on sustainability. CEO provides their statements. Then they provide information on their version of sustainability definition, materiality assessment, then how they create value, how they engage their stakeholders. All of these things are available. You can always download, and the link will be there in the video to check and see AstraZeneca sustainability reports for 2023. Then the most common format is the integrated version of sustainability reports, and how they're different. So in an integrated format of sustainability reports, the information is integrated within the corporate financial statement. So you will see several sections where the company reports their environmental, social, and financial information. So that is combined within the group or corporate financial statement. So these reports are prepared annually, and it aims to integrate all the environmental, social, and governance dimension within the financial aspect of the business. Another format has becoming common is the web-based version, where you will see companies, they may not be publicly listed, so they are not actually providing you annual reports in that detailed format. However, the companies are renowned enough for people to care what they're doing in terms of global sustainability. For example, Walmart often informs stakeholders about their ESG initiatives through their websites. And also these days, social media has become a place where companies want to demonstrate their effort, something that they have done well for the society. So any sustainability agendas, efforts from the companies might be available in their social media platform. It can be LinkedIn, it can be Twitter, it can be Instagram. You might see those posts where the company is trying to brag about their events, some activities they have done for their community, for certain groups of customers. And these are the 4 common types of sustainability reports that you might come across. Let me know in the comments box if you have seen any of these formats, and it will be nice to have a chat.